Self-assembly of low-frequency amplifiers with popular microcircuits of different capacity has become widespread in amateur practice. Their internal design allows, in shortest terms, usually with minimal details without any complicated settings, assemble a decent power amp for home use. Very often we use equipped kits, available commercially, which are especially in demand among the newcomers. As a rule, those kits do not include power supply units required for amplifier operation. Therefore, I suggest a very simple and reliable option of design using some outdated but quite usable components. Casing. The box was borrowed from an old computer unit, which were utilized in hundreds. But hardware is hardware. In addition, having built-in fan and lots of space. Strap from an old tape recorder with adapted general switch. Network protective strip. Switch on indicator and, just in case, forced activation of the fan if needed. The core of the design is a power transformer with two output windings for 27 volts. Load current 2.5 amperes per each, more precisely TTP 120. Diode bridge should preferably be powerful. Let's use KBPC 1502 with maximum current of 15 amperes. Two filtering capacity of 10,000 microfarads, and at last standard connector with wires from former computer unit to connect to amplifier board with existing presence of the response slot. This design is intended for the bipolar powering of amplifier with output voltage of ±27 volts. Power supply schematic is easy to produce. It has been long applied in practice by many beginning designers and works flawlessly. If desired, you can change source option using one of the windings, or even connect them in parallel for twofold increase in capacity of power transformer and thus the power supply unit itself, which can be used for multiple unipolar amplifiers.